Okay, so the question is asking you to find out the value of x and the value of y. So here you can see this is 4x and this is 7y. So these are the unknown variables and we are required to find out the value of these variables. Okay. Okay. So again in this question we are required either to use the F rule या तो हम इसमें corresponding angles वाला rule apply करेंगे, ठीक है, या फिर हम alternate angles वाला rule apply करेंगे, या फिर हम interior angles वाला rule apply करेंगे, ठीक है. These are the three rules that we use whenever we have angles formed on the parallel lines, ठीक है. So look, if you observe this 4x combined with this angle is making a complete circle, ठीक है, ये एक complete circle बन रहा है, and we know that a complete circle is always 360 degrees, right? A complete circle is always 360 degrees, and also we know that angle on a straight line is 180 degrees, right? This is a straight line, ठीक है. So straight line में ये एक angle है और ये उसके बराबर में दूसरा angle है. If we join these two angles, the sum of these two angles will be always equals to 180 because it is a straight line. जब भी straight line की बात होती है तो straight line का angle हमेशा कितना होता है? 180 degrees. Now if this angle is 80 over here, if this angle is 80, so the angle next to it, this one will be 100 degrees obviously. ये angle क्या होगा? 100 degrees होगा because it is a straight line, right? So the first step is 180 minus 80. The angle is 100 degrees, right? Now the second thing, if you observe, this over here is an alternate angle. Look, this line and this line, this is making a Z shape. If you observe, this is making a Z shape, something like this, and this, and this line and this line is parallel, ठीक है. Alternate angles के लिए it is must that parallel lines should be there. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि कहीं पर भी Z बन रहा हो तो आप उसको alternate angles consider करें. Alternate angles आप उसी को consider करेंगे जहाँ पर parallel lines involve होंगी, right? So this angle is 100 and the alternate angle will also be 100, ठीक है. Alternate angle का rule क्या होता है कि both angles are equal, right? So if this is 100, the other angle over here, this one will also be 100, ठीक है. Now in order to find out x, we can see that this 4x joined with this 100 is making a 360, right? This is a complete circle. ये complete circle है, ठीक है. ये complete circle है जिसमें से ये वाला part 100 है और ये वाला part 4x है. So 4x और 100 को जब हम combine करेंगे, so the sum of these two angles will be equals to 360 because they are at a point. This is called angle at a point, right? This is the point, this is the point, and always whenever there is a point, there is a 360 degree angle, right? This is a 360 degree angle. So we can say that 100 plus 4x, the sum of these two angles is 360 degrees. ये हमने क्या किया? ये हमने एक equation create की है, ठीक है. Now when we will solve this equation, we will get the value of x. So 100 plus हो रहा है, opposite side पे shift करेंगे, minus हो जाएगा. 360 minus 100 will become 260. 4 is being multiplied with x, so on the opposite side it will become divide. 4 opposite side पे जाके divide हो जाएगा. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24, and 4 5s are 20. So the value of x, as we can see, the value of x is 65. Now we have the value of x. Now we need to find out the value of y. ठीक है? So if you observe again carefully, this line, and this line, this is making a C, right? Because these two lines are parallel. आप देख सकते हैं ये एरो क्या बता रहा है कि ये लाइन और ये लाइन पैरेलल है, ठीक है? तो ये क्या बन रहा है? दिस इज C, ये इंटीरियर एंगल बन रहा है, ठीक है? ये इंटीरियर एंगल बन रहा है। और इंटीरियर एंगल का रूल हमें पता है कि जब भी हमारे पास इंटीरियर एंगल्स होते हैं तो हम जब भी उन दो एंगल्स को प्लस करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ दिस एंगल इज A and this angle is B, when we will add both these angles, the sum of these two will be equal to 180 degrees, right? So if this angle is 100, अगर एंगल B 100 के इक्वल है तो एंगल A किसके इक्वल होगा? ऑब्वियसली दिस इज गोइंग टू बी इक्वल टू 80, क्योंकि दोनों का सम 180 है, राइट? दोनों का सम, दोनों को प्लस करने से टोटल आंसर क्या आएगा? 180 आएगा, जिसमें से B 100 है, तो A क्या होगा? A will be 80, right? So we can say that this angle over here is 80. This angle is 80, right? अब हम y find out करने के लिए what we can do is, in order to find out y, we can again use the angle at a point. You can see this is a complete circle, right? ये complete circle बन रहा है, this is the point, और ये एंगल 80 है और ये एंगल 7y है, ठीक है? So when we add both these angles, 7y plus 80, the sum of these two angles is 360 degrees, right? Now solve this equation, 360 minus 80, so this will become 280. Now 7 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, so opposite side पे शिफ्ट करेंगे, ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा। 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28 होता है, तो 7 40s क्या हो जाएगा? 280. So the value of y is 40. So this is the answer of question number 7. The value of x is 65 and the value of y is 40.